Here's a new and nifty way to serve bacon and eggs. What I'm going to be doing is making whipped scrambled eggs and bacon cups. This is so much fun to do, and it's a really lovely option to do when you want to change up the presentation. So you'll need streaky bacon for this. This has a great ratio of fat and meat, and because it's long strips just like this, it's really pliable and versatile. Now what I'll do is cut this into sections, so straight down the centre. You can see with this streaky bacon, it comes from the pork belly, and you know this because it's got that nice marble of fat throughout it. So muffin tins, that's how we're going to make these cups. So 2 muffin tins, and I'll cut the bacon into small strips, and then we also need long strips. So open the second one. So it's a little bit of cut and paste for this. I'll tell you what, it's well worth it for the outcome. So we just want to place the bacon around the sides of the muffin tin and then line it with another piece of bacon in the centre. Now press it down and ensure the base is covered. Now the bacon will shrink a little bit, so it's not going to be the perfect cup, but it'll be hollow enough that we can fill it up with delicious scrambled eggs. So I'll finish making the bacon cups, and to ensure they keep their shape, I'll use another muffin tin just to press on top of it, and then this goes into the oven, 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. Bacon cups have been cooking for about 20 minutes on that high heat, and now I just want them to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while I make the eggs. Now I'm going to show you a different way of making scrambled eggs. This is my favourite way of doing scrambled eggs, and all we need is a pot that's not hot. We'll get some nice free-range eggs, and I'll crack in about 4 eggs directly into the pot. This is the way they do it in all the restaurants and all of the big buffets that you go to, because you can do a lot of eggs quite quickly. The flavour is incredible because it's almost like a savoury custard. So that's 3 eggs, and the last one. Place this on a very low heat. And now I'm not adding any cream or butter yet. What I'll do is just start to whisk it, and you'll see the eggs mix together. Once it starts to become really glossy and starts to resemble scrambled eggs, that's when I'll add a little bit of cream and butter. Now you can see that the eggs have scrambled nicely. I'm using a spatula just to scrape off any of the egg that's stuck to the bottom. And now I like to add a small amount of butter. And then, just to make it extra rich, scrambled eggs with a little bit of pure cream is so yummy. So a hint of that. And then mix this in, turn the heat off. All right, let's have a look at the pièce de résistance, which is our beautiful bacon cups. We'll take the top off. Ha ha, look at them. They look great. They look like little bacon nests. There will be a little bit of bacon fat there, so we just want to drain it on some paper toweling. If you want to do this ahead of time, you can absolutely do that and just warm them up in the oven. Now they're very rich, so you only need 1 per person. Now for our scrambled eggs, I just want to season it with a pinch of salt and some pepper. I'll give it one last stir. So I'll generously fill these bacon cups with our creamy eggs. And a lovely garnish with this is chives. They've got a really nice mild onion flavour, and finely chop them. And you can afford to add a nice generous teaspoon of these chives. It's not just a garnish, I want it for the flavour too. Top that with our gorgeous chives. And just to finish it off, to make it look extra special, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a good crack of pepper. Wow. I love the look of that. If you're looking to jazz up your bacon and eggs, this is the way to go. Beautiful little crispy bacon cups, creamy eggs, and that hint of chives on the top. That is a delicious Sunday brekkie.